The aim of this video is to help you with your planning and time management. Think about a typical week and how you use your time. You will have hobbies, chores that need doing, there'll be work to do, you need to eat and sleep. Then consider how many hours in each 24 hours are being wasted. It's up to you how to use the time you have available to you, and sometimes we make poor decisions and we might regret those. We tend to lean towards routines, so you might spend half an hour before dinner using your phone and using social media, but might that be a time waster? Is that a habit that you could break? It's hard to change those behaviours, but it's not impossible, and it's often very worthwhile. We also tend to feel really bad if we don't achieve something that we know we should have done and that we were capable of. And it makes us feel really good when we achieve something that we might have been putting off previously. We can use that feeling of achievement to recognise the relationship between confidence and effort. If we know we're going to achieve something, we're more likely to start doing it. But if we know it's difficult and it might go wrong, we're more likely to put it off. Prioritising your tasks is going to help you to make these decisions about which things you should be working on at any given moment. Organising your tasks into these 4 different headings can really help to do that. The next few slides are going to look at those in detail. If things are important and urgent, you need to do these things first. Break them down into manageable chunks and consider what needs to be done first. Remove distractions and just get on with these tasks. Don't worry about other things. Get these important and urgent things done first. If it's important but not yet urgent, you don't want it to go into that important and urgent section. So make a plan to address these. Make that plan to suit you. And again, break those tasks down into more manageable chunks so that you're more likely to get started on them. You can do this by making lists or setting deadlines for different parts of the task. Ask your friends and family to help remind you or to help you with different elements of it, but don't put it off. If it's urgent, but not really, really important, these may be worth leaving until the more important and urgent things have been done. If the consequences are low, it might be worth leaving these for a bit longer. So returning a library book, for example. Yes, there's a deadline, it's time critical. At the end of the day, you might have to pay a small fine. That's the worst that's going to happen. If it's not urgent and it's not important, these are time wasters. These are the things that it will be nice to do. And that's great. If you find time in your week to do these, then that's brilliant. Don't forget about them because these could be the things that are related to your hobbies and your leisure time. So it's important to remember those. But if you've got urgent deadlines, they can wait. If you don't change your behaviour, you're going to keep getting the same result. So if you're always procrastinating and putting things off, then you are always going to find your deadlines hard to meet. If you make a change to your attitude, you're going to be able to get better results. So thank you for watching the video. Now spend some time thinking about how you can use your time best to maximise your chances of success.